guys, it's raining hard.
When I got here, this is what happens. Just now.
Man, it's raining hard. Holy shoot.
Let me open.
Jeez.
I'm ready, wet already. I have to go save you more, guys. Buy something there. Jeez, the rain. I had to like put it all the way. See? First time I put it all the way. Windshield wipers. Put it all the way. Wow, look at this, guys. Ah, raining. Oh, man. Yep. You live in Washington? Welcome to Washington. Jeez, it's raining hard. I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna go and save you more, but man, it's raining crazy. Man, calm the news, huh? Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. I'm going outside. Oh! I'm definitely gonna change my clothes when I get back home. Holy crap. God dang, man. Alright, get my locking ready. Shit, it's raining hard. God, my shoes are wet. Ew. I'm gonna go, guys. Put my mask on. Peace.